Come on, girl. Come on, you can figure this out. We got a chicken out. Weston's trying to get it from that way. I'm gonna try to get it from this way. Where's it at? You got it? Oh, come on, buddy. It's too cold to do this stuff. It's coming back over y'all's way.
Okay.
You be careful up there, sweetheart. Well, you got her down further. Come on. No, she's right here. Come on, buddy. Maybe go around to the opposite side and scare her down. Like just... throw a snowball at her. No, it fell apart.
Like, oh my God.
Yeah, you're fine. You're safe now. Why'd you make that harder than it had to be? Yeah, it was good, but this one's not. Trying to chase that dang thing around. And the one good egg I got that wasn't frozen.
And that chapstick.
Yeah, it's all over my chapstick too. And now my coveralls are gonna have egg yolk in them and be stinky. All over chasing the chicken.
That chicken had to be there. We had 2 good eggs. Who are you doing? Dude, bro. It looks like a chunky potato curl.
These snowmen will be a testament to all mankind. Aliens will see this snowman from space and know that Earth is not to be trifled with. Let us build the greatest snowman that has ever been built. This is not a yellow snow cone. Do not eat the yellow snow. The journey to a great snowman begins with a single snowball. That'd make a good head. Yeah. We gotta roll it the other way too, yeah, so
it looks like life in it. How does this look?
Looks like a hay bale. Oh.
And I tried busting up all the leaves.
We'll do that at the end.
It took me so long to roll, and now I just can't roll anymore. I'll get this one to feel good.
Hey.
Oh my god! Oh, I thought that was a dead animal.
That's my fur hat.
Yeah, I thought you like rolled over a squirrel or something. Okay. Fine, I'll do it. This is normal snowman head.
We're picking up sticks and acorns and leaves.
Where are we gonna put it?
Well, I'd say we're gonna put it wherever we stop rolling it, because I'm not gonna move it at that point. Tell him to come over.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Getting to the point. I'm really having trouble rolling it.
This is like really heavy stuff.
Yeah, it's definitely like some thick boy snow. Very fluffy, very wet. Oh. Well, have we came to our limits? We got to shape it up. Looks all blobby and fat. Like. I think I can roll it one more time this way. Maybe one more time this way. Oh yeah. All right, now we'll set it down. Flat side. Or it can stay like that. That'll be fine too. I pile snow up here to make a nice flat surface. Like Edward Scissorhand. Ice carving. How are we gonna lift that up? How are we gonna lift that up to that?
I had when I made that snowman.
We gotta get the tractor.
What if it breaks?
And so be it. It's worth it. This is a great accomplishment. It would be a travesty if it broke the snowball, but we did make this in like 5 minutes, so we'll probably make another one. So let's roll this one over to that one, and then we have to figure out a way to try to get it up on top of there.
Dad picks it up. If you get under over, Dad can help. This one's like light.
It's getting bigger as I roll it towards there. It's dang near as big as the one on the bottom. It's quite large. Oh yeah, it's equal about. Pretty darn close.
Looks like we can pick it up.
You gonna give it a try?
It just shatters.
Here, let's like try to roll it over there. I don't know. Alright. Ready? Ready?
Yep.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! It didn't even budge.
Well, we need help.
Tractor. Let's create a flat spot. All right, come on, old she-devil. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! That was a terrible idea. Who came up with that idea? That's not going anywhere. It's just too snowy. I can't get it out. I don't have winter tires. How are we gonna do this?
Do what? That one's coming.
Get this thing on top of the...
Yeah, it's coming.
So a 13-year-old is my answer? It's like, what?
14.
I know he's a strong 14-year-old, but this is a big thing here.
Yeah, it makes me kind of depressed. Oh, okay, I'm not done. It was only fun whenever I was winning. You're throwing it at my face.
All right, let's try to get this on here again. Let's just, I'll get under it, and like if you guys could lift it up, and then we'll, I don't know.
Is it getting foggy out here?
All right. knock some off until we can. And then we'll repair it by hand.
If my enemies were made out of snow, that would happen. Now I gotta patch it up. I'm Dr. Mario, except I'm not Italian. Like numbnuts,
Are you just gonna fuck around while I do it?
Oh, God.
Yes! We're almost there! Yes!
Yes!
Oh, no!
It's worth it!
No!
Hey, we gotta start packing snow around here.
I got it. Oh, I got snow all over. Okay, come on.
We have to get the head all the way up there. Hey, help me get it up on my shoulder. Help me get this up on my shoulder. Oh, never mind, it's not that bad.
Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Hey, you ready?
Oh, what?
The head.
I'll hold it.
Oh. Backing it on this side. I mean, it could definitely kick Dwayne Johnson's butt. I'm not sure if it's quite as big as I set out to want to build, but
We're gonna make it bigger.
it's as big as I can physically lift without a tractor or something like that to lift it on there. It's pretty impressive snowman though. I mean, it could definitely kick Dwayne Johnson's butt for sure. Yeah, just by pure mass itself. No, we have mini carrots. Snuffleupagus. Yes, that's a perfect nose. I can't think of a better nose than that. He looks like a hummingbird.
Oh, he already has like eyes.
The proboscis? Proboscis? Is it proboscis? Much better arm. He's waving.